Hey guys, T here. As you can see, we're in the kitchen today. And I'm going to cook potato latkes or crispy potato pancakes. I don't know. Every culture cooks them that knows about potatoes, and everybody's got a little different name or a little different recipe. Mine are shredded potatoes with onions and nice and crispy on the outside. You can serve them with sour cream or applesauce, and sometimes I like them with ketchup too. But thanks for tuning in, guys. Please subscribe. Let's get cooking. So the way you make these potato crispy pancakes is I like to use russet potatoes, and I don't peel them. I just wash them, and I cut up an onion, and I shred these potatoes in a old-fashioned shredder. And then the next thing is real important. After you've shredded those potatoes, you want to put them in a cloth napkin and wring them out. I mean, really wring them out so you get as much liquid and moisture out as possible. And then you add the onions that you've sliced up, and add an egg. Put an egg in there. Egg binds it all together, and it's sort of like glue. And I add a little bit of breadcrumbs or maybe flour even to just kind of hold it together a little bit. And it keeps them nice and crisp edges, but it still holds them together as a pancake. Heat up your pan, put some olive oil in it, let that olive oil get hot, and fork out some of the mixture into the pan and press them down. Let it cook for a while. You'll see the edges start to turn brown. That's good. Flip them over, cook the other side, and boy, you're gonna like this. So get some sour cream, applesauce, maybe ketchup, and enjoy yourself. Wow, that's what I'm talking about. I like mine with a little bit of sour cream on the side. So, buon appetito. Oh wow, these things are great. I love them every time. So I encourage you guys to try these. Please subscribe if you will. I'll see you next time.